We are starting from switch case this time around. Start your document with this. So you can write your JavaScript in the head or you write it in this place. So what is the work of switch? Switch works like if statement. For example, maybe I have, let's write my dates. Yeah. So should get date for me. Dates. You want to get day, which is today's date. Can just put get day. So that means you get the dates as well as day. Okay, but before you apply this switch case, let's try to check what will the variable will bring. Documents. Now it shows 0. That means today is Sunday. So it will start from 0. You can now use your switch statement, switch case, like switch, open brackets. Now what do you want to check, or what do you want to add, what do you want to check in case of in case maybe we have 0, in case we have 1, in case we have 2. So that thing is my date. Put my date. After this curly bracket, you now put in case, that in case it is 0. You don't need quotes because it is number. So if it is string, you want to check whether it is Monday or like that, you need double quotes there. So let's put 0 here, which means in case it is 0, what will happen? Alert Sunday. After that, you need to break it, else all the cases you add below will run in the browser at the same time. So it is better you break the first case. The second case, every case you add, is better you key and you break them. So in case it is 1, alert that Monday, break it. In case it is 2, in case it is 3 and all that. Okay, what if it is not 0, it is not 1? How you now put a default? So to add a default is just the word default. Default. So that default, anything you put there, unknown. So that means you don't know. You can break it or you leave that because that's the end. Let's refresh our document. You can see that today is Sunday. Now what will now happen if we have like 3, we don't have that 0 here, so it will be unknown. You can see that means your case does not match any output of this place. So that's how switch works. Now let's deal with loop. Loop is just a repetition of something. Maybe you want 1 to 10 or 1 to 100 to list itself. If you don't want to type it yourself, or you want something to repeat more than once, so that's when you will use loop. And we are having different ways to use to add loop or to use loop in JavaScript. We have while loop, we have for loop. So we are going to use for loop now. Write it like this. The output, where do you want to put? Okay, let's do it like this. For, open bracket, create a variable first. Can create a variable I, give it a value 0. This var is not a must in JavaScript. It's not a must. When declaring a variable, you may not put var. It's not a must. So that I equals to 0, that means it will start from 0. Terminate. I less than 5, that means it will stop at 4, because I less than 5, which is 4. After that, you add I plus plus, so that means it will increment itself. So put curly bracket like this. Now anything you had inside we dot write that I. Now this document dot write will happen or will appear in five times starting from 0. So let's check it now. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we said it should start from 0. If you want it to start from 1, put 1 and put less than 6, which is 5. You can even put less than or equals to 5. That means you stop at 5. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you want it to have break, you can just add it here plus break. This is BR in HTML. So you can see it, you add break, line break there. You can see this is what is called loop, repetition of something. You put 500, that means you reach 500 before it stops. You can see, so you reach 500, and you put 5,000, it will reach 5,000 before it stops. So this is what is called loop. Instead of you to be writing 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, another thing like that, you can just write a simple loop to perform that for you. And there is another way to, when we write it like this, you can see it does not break. What if you put right line? Let's check this. Still it does not break, so we have to write or right line. Okay, so a simple way to. Now the second way is to use while loop. That while, open bracket, that your variable I less than or equals to 5. That means you are going to 5. So document dot write, open bracket, that your I. But when looping this thing, what will happen to your I? Your I should increment itself. So you are going to write that A plus plus there. So let's check the output of this one. You need to specify, to declare your I. So we want our I to start from 1. So do it like this. You can say 1 to 5. If you want to add break BR, it will break it. You can see. So the while loop or for loop, both can work well on JavaScript for iteration. And also the last, we have do while loop. Do while loop. In do while loop, you apply like do. What do you want it to do? Document dot write, to write something out. This is your I. Let's put line break there to write this thing out. And when writing it out, I should be plus plus, should increment. So let's declare our I to be 1 like this. So do, this is what is going to happen. When do you want it to stop? While I less than or equals to 10. So it will stop at 10 here. You can see it stops at 10. So you put 100, it will stop at 100. So we have 3 ways to loop the statement in JavaScript. We have a for loop, we have while loop, and we have do while loop. This is do while loop. We have for loop, we have while loop, and we have do while loop. So you can use any of the 3 you like. If you like for loop, go with it. If you like while loop, go with it. And we have do while loop, go with it. Now let's apply this for this our loop in this an example. So in example, we have, let's have our array like this. Let me call this one class. So how can you now bring everything inside this place out? Now starting from I equals to 0, to start from 0, then your I less than car length, and to count the number of cars we have there. And then so put your cars and then the I inside. So this will work. Let's break it. To break it is BR. So run it from your browser. I can see it shows what we have inside the array. Thank you.